Hey guys, today we are doing another episode of Sandboxels, and today we have liquid nitrogen versus magma, or basically lava, but yeah. So, are we ready yet? Are like seriously? Are you guys ready for this? Um, okay, yeah, I'm just gonna do it in three, two, one. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Wait, it's turning into basalt and rock. It's cooling down. But then nitrogen, the liquid nitrogen is turning into just nitrogen. I mean, it's still pretty cold. Actually, wait, it's really cold still, but yeah, oh, what is happening to the magma? Okay, that was a bit weird. Yeah, there's almost no liquid nitrogen left. So, there's even some nitrogen over here now. So that's cool. How about the basalt over here? Even the basalt, like the basalt down or the rock down here is like 500 degrees. How is this nitrogen? Okay. Um, yeah, there's not even a single like particle of liquid nitrogen left anymore. Um, so we're just gonna speed this up real quick to like 500 ticks per second. Yeah, the lava's cooling down and the magma or and the nitrogen is getting hotter. So, like this stuff is over 1,000 degrees. Oh, not anymore. Now it's getting colder over here. Okay, yeah, and more of the magma is just turning into just basalt rock. Yeah, I sped it up again because it was kind of slow, but yeah, the basalt and rock is just taking over the magma very, very slowly right here. So over here, it's not even 2,000 degrees anymore. I mean, wait, this is the hottest it is right now is like 1,900 degrees. And then over here, it's like 900. So is there even any of this liquid nitrogen that's in the negatives anymore? Nope, there's none. Oh wait, there is somewhere. There's some over here that's still in the negatives, but it's not gonna be in the negatives for much longer because it's already cooling down very quickly to like. Okay, wait. How low does the lava? Okay, so it gets there. It turns into rock slash basalt at like about 1,500 degrees. Oh yeah, over here now it's like oh my gosh, over here it's 150. And down here now it's like 40 or 50 now. And over here it's just thousands of degrees. The basalt is starting to get most of the magma. Like the hottest it is right now is like only 200 degrees above basalt. Um, so most of the like over half of the lava is already gone, and that number is growing even quicker now. So all of the lava will probably be gone very soon. Over on the nitrogen side, though, we got 175 at the coldest, and at the warmest, like almost 1,000 now. Um, that's cool. Yeah, most of the magma is gone now. Okay. Yeah, so most of the magma is Okay, I'm back. Anyway, so yeah, literally this much of the magma is left. And in 5 or 10, 9, 8, 7, yeah, at the hottest it's literally like 1400. Yeah, it's almost all gone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is all the salt now, and the nitrogen is still warming up very quickly. Except for over here. Actually, over here it's kind of slowing down. Actually, wait, okay, how cold is this? Like this stuff. Oh yeah, some of this stuff is getting down to 700 degrees over here. Um, and nitrogen is still getting hotter. So anyway, new simulation. So one of you guys actually told me in the comments of the last video, if I don't want to make anything, then I just go to settings and then I click, yeah, okay, unhide all elements. So this should show me all of the elements there are. Does it? Where are they? Maybe basic. Um, well, that didn't really work, but yeah, that didn't really work, but so unset. Am I doing this wrong? Um, Someone tell me if I'm doing that wrong. Anyway, oh wait, slime? There's slime? Wait, there's. Whoa, wait, hear me out. Slime versus milk. What I don't know what is I don't know what this combination is. What will happen? Okay. Um. Okay. Now what if I add like dye? Wait. Wait just a second. Wait just a second. Destroy all the milk. Hold on. Destroy all the milk. Does it? Oh, it doesn't make red slime. Okay. Wait. Yeah, it doesn't give you. Okay. Um. Okay, the final thing we're gonna do for this video is we're gonna do magma, like right here, right around here, versus just a thin little sheet of water. Which one will win? Okay, three, two, one. Let's see what happens. Well, okay, immediately it's making. What are these things again? Steam? Yeah, it's making steam. Um, so no surprise there, but uh now there's being clouds that are being summoned, and these, if I'm not mistaken, if they turn into a certain type of cloud, then they'll start apparently dropping water on the. Is the magma going away? Oh no, it's not. Okay. So like apparently this will be like getting bigger soon. And the lava will just turn to rock. If I'm not mistaken. So what are these things dropping? Wait, what are these things dropping? Ash? Why are they dropping ash? Um, that's not very good. Well, anyway, um, yeah. So hopefully these. I wish it could go faster than 1,000, but it can't. So yeah. What is this? Tough? Why is it making tough? Well, how is it making tough? Most of the water is gone now. Um, so that's not very good. Um, yeah, literally like 90% of the water is gone now, if not more. Probably like 97 or 98%. So that's not very good at all. And then we got, why is there nothing here? Okay, now there is. Burning Fire is the name of some of this. Why is it going back into magma? And almost all the water is gone. So I think, yeah, the lava's gonna win. Um, that's not very fun. But okay, I guess. Why are some of these staying on the ground? Like, why is some of this just staying? Yeah, like, be free, man. Yeah, so what if we just remove the lava? So if we just remove the lava? Now it's just raining ashes. Um, so wait, what if I cool down these clouds over here? Over here, over here. Oh my gosh, but the ashes are still getting in the way. So it's just like a cycle. It's just like the water is being spawned, but then it's going into the ashes, which are also still being spawned. And then the water is going back into the sky. And then that dirty water. Seltzer. Hmm. So the ash is still that much, but I wonder what happens if we put one little tiny bit of just life. Like, what should we put? Like, just one little thing of algae. What could possibly happen if we did that? It's growing! It's growing! It's growing into more algae. And now there's dead plants in the water. This is really weird. Um, most of the ash clouds are gone, so the ash is just slowly disappearing. Actually, are all of the ash clouds? Actually, I think all of the ash clouds are gone. So what is this stuff? Oh, it's just dead plants again. What is this seltzer stuff though? And oh my gosh, there's a lot of algae. Oh!